Hello, it's Karen Burniston here with an assembly video for one of our die sets. This is die number 1123, the Treasure Charms, and you can check out all of our die designs at karenburniston.com. There are 5 dies in the set to make 5 different charms, and I'm going to start first with the 2 that really benefit from embossing. So that's the coin and the chalice. Now, different machines have different embossing sandwiches, so you'll want to refer to the documentation for your machine for how to emboss a die. But for a Spellbinders Platinum 6, the dies go blade side up directly on the platform, then the paper goes pretty side down over the dies. Then you complete that sandwich by putting the squishy tan mat over the top and then the purple embossing pad. Now, both the tan squishy mat and the purple embossing pad come with the die cutting machine. You can cut first and then emboss, but the reason I like to emboss first is because brand new dies fall off the paper, and it's easier to line them up to cut than it is to put the paper back in the die to emboss. So it's still a 2-step process, whichever way you do it, but if you emboss first when you have brand new dies, it just tends to be easier because it's easy just to sink those dies right down into the grooves and send them back through with a cutting sandwich. And then with charm sets, because they are so small, you can just fill up the platform with the other charms that you want to cut and then just cut everything at the same time. Okay, so that 2-step process with the chalice and the coin gives you that very cool emboss feature on both of those charms, and I particularly like them out of the silver mirror card. Okay, so let's look at the other charms. Let's start first with the gem necklace. So that one I cut it out of a glitter paper, and then I've just grabbed a scrap of a different color glitter paper, in this case like a ruby red. And for that one, since I'm going glitter over the top of glitter, I'll just throw a little piece of a score tape, a double-sided tape, on the back of the ruby color before die cutting. I only need the die to cover the portion of the gem. And then also with the diamond ring, I cut the whole thing out of whatever color ring I want. So in that case, gold. And then I just find a scrap of another color, like especially a glittery one would be perfect for a diamond. And then I just need the diamond section to be over the top of that scrap. On the tiara charm, I just cut it out of a glitter cardstock and just poke out all of the holes. Okay, so then after die cutting those partial pieces, I just need to isolate out the diamond and then glue that over the top of the gold ring. And I am using my Lineco Neutral pH adhesive in my fine tip bottle. We do sell both of those items on our website, as well as the quick stick pickup tools, which can be very helpful. I added score tape to the back of the red glitter cardstock. I just have to isolate the ruby and then pick it up, and now it's a sticker, so I can place it over the top of the other glitter cardstock in the right position. Okay, so that is the basic assembly of those 5 treasure charms. Now on the coin, I think it looks nice clean, but it also looks nice if you kind of grunge it up with adding some paint that'll get down into those grooves, and then you can wipe that away. So it sort of depends on whether you're looking to have it be a shiny new coin or maybe a doubloon. You might experiment with styling the chalice as a little small trophy. And of course, with all the charms, you can cut off the hole at the top if you just want to use them as a standalone element. The treasure charms are going to mix in really nicely with some of our other dies, including our treasure chest. You can see that animated here using our parcel pop-up. The little crab is wearing the tiara. There's the ruby necklace, the coin tucked in right here. The treasure chest die does come with included treasure, so it has a string of pearls and a crown and some diamonds. But then if you add the tiara and the ruby necklace and the chalice, the coin, the diamond ring, you just have more treasure choices. And then there's also a treasure word set that works wonderfully with the charms. The Treasure Charms die set is available now from our website, karenburniston.com, as well as a lot of your favorite online and local retailers. Thanks for watching. If you click on the website link, you'll go to karenburniston.com, where you can find out information about purchasing these dies, as well as links to all my other social media accounts. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel and check out some of my other videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.